What up, guys? I'm back with another video. Meeting up with some homies, gonna go ride some kind of roads, probably do a wheelie or two, so it should be a good time. We'll see what kind of footage we get out of this. I really wasn't even planning on riding. Then they hit me up saying, yo, come ride with us. I was doing homework like a lame-o, but I got to do the homework or I can't graduate. So that is what that is. His shit busted. Oh yeah, ride that bicycle so good. Ooh, this tire looks spicy.
Brand new.
Yeah.
Brand new with the bike.
What's up, bro? What was your name again?
Owen.
Owen? Okay.
I saw you in traffic yesterday.
Yeah. What up, twin?
What up, twin? I seen you outside. I said,
Yeah. I heard
like, he probably gonna come out.
it. Yeah.
I seen you taking the cover off the bike.
Yeah. What's up, Christian?
What up, dude? Yo, you know what's crazy? All the flames and shit making my carbon go colorized.
I see that.
That's wild.
Damn.
Bug it. Oil slick carbon.
Ah. Oh.
God dang. Fucking hell.
Mama.
Jesus Christ.
Jeez, boy.
God damn!
That shit made me drool like a
Yeah, that shit got me feeling like I want to hit the fentanyl.
That's ridiculous.
That shit was fat.
Yeah, that's ridiculous.
It's the shape, too. Okay, we all. We gotta hit the bone-up before we hit the shit.
I'm sure someone noticed that. All the bikers looking at one chick.
Well,
across the road.
there's no way any of those cars didn't notice the fucking ass that just walked by.
Hell nah.
Whoever hit that is a lucky man.
What'd you say?
Gas is going down.
Oh.
We're so awesome. This is all I do.
It's not.
Like that?
It's not fast. I mean, when we went to Wilson, I topped it out 136. But
I think 136 is pretty fast.
136 before controls is fucking scary.
Hey, bro, I ain't shit. I got nothing but a Red Bull in my system right now. I'm a fucking thick bitch.
I could fuck a thick bitch. God damn. I apologize if you can hear me chewing on my gum, but I love to chew on gum and ride. Damn! That shit was crazy. I really fuck with his tail light. Never seen one like that before. are not my strong suit yet. Sharp ass turn, gang. Look at that. It probably is. That was a big one. Oh. Two big ones.
Got everyone killed.